Welcome to Sirao Garden, also known as the Little Amsterdam of Cebu, is a beautiful flower farm located in the mountain barangay of Busay in Cebu City, Philippines. It's a popular destination for tourists and locals alike, especially during summer, which is from March to May. Aside from the celosia flowers, the garden also features other types of flora, such as sunflowers, roses, and chrysanthemums. Visitors can take a leisurely stroll around the garden and appreciate the beauty of nature. There are also several photo spots scattered throughout the garden, including a windmill and the famous giant hand statue. It's best to avoid going to weekends as it gets crowded during those days. The opening hours of the flower farm is from 6 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. The entrance fee is 100 pesos per adult. As you enter the garden, you'll be greeted by rows of celosia flowers. The flowers come in different sizes and colors, ranging from bright red to pale pink and even white, making for a picturesque backdrop for photos. Sirao Garden is a must-visit destination for nature lovers, photography enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to experience the beauty of nature. It's a perfect spot to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and enjoy a peaceful day surrounded by flowers and greenery. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel and adventure videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.